All right, so I got a short video today. Just kind of show you guys what the inside of one of these engines looks like. This 1161 prime mover. The guy that owns a cam, he bought it non-running. They did a lot of work to try to get it going. He did fix a lot of electrical problems with it. He's troubleshooting things, and he just couldn't get it to run, couldn't get it to fuel to prime. So we brought it out here, and we were going to attempt to time the fuel injection pump to see if that was the problem. And before we got that far, I checked out some stuff. We got a gas rag on there. We started rolling it. You could tell by the engine drag that something was wrong inside. So we pulled the engine oil filter apart, and let me walk over here and show you what we found inside. Let's see if I can find this section here. I don't know if the camera picks that up or not, but there's a bunch of aluminum in there. So I knew right away it had to have something to do with the pistons. So we pulled the head off. Here's the head, by the way. It's an overhead cam, run off a single gear, real nice clean setup. We pulled the head off. Wander back over here. And as soon as we got in here, we could see the scoring in here. This is actually cylinder number one. Number one's in the back on these. So cylinder number three had a lot of scoring, but three of the cylinders had the top of the liners broken loose. So number one didn't, but you could feel a ridge in there, maybe a crack. So we don't know what happened to this. Probably an overspeed. You can see the piston rocking on the rod here. It's still connected to the rod, but the skirt itself is broken off. You can see the skirt down there. That's probably a ring, but you can tell it's broken loose of the skirt. So now the fun part is trying to find parts for this. There are parts around because it's a very common engine around the world. It's just a matter of getting them and getting them at a decent price. So anyways, just a quick short video on these, just to kind of show you guys what it looks like inside here, and show you what can happen. It's not necessarily, maybe you think it's a fuel problem or you think it's one issue. First thing, you know, once we cut the filter open and saw the metal in there, then you know they've got a problem internally. So anyways, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already, and share this with a friend if you can. So anyways, have a good day.